also like this.
So this is like a Philippine traditional.
Yes, sir. We
Okay,
have also,
can you explain this?
which one? This one?
Yeah, what's this?
This one is natural color, natural color, sir. It's made from banana with pineapple print. And this one is handmade ethnic design. This is our traditional barong, sir. This is our traditional barong. You can try, sir, if you want. We have also different colors. We have black, brown, blue,
So what's the most popular one?
pineapple fiber. This one.
Yes, one wants to make entrance. Yes, one
We have also modern style, sir, this one.
When do you put on this?
Yes, sir?
When? What
When?
kind of situation are you going to put
Wedding.
on? Wedding?
Yeah. For party like that.
Party.
Meeting.
Meeting.
Special events, sir, you can wear this one also. This one is made from pineapple fiber. Pineapple leaf. And this one is made from cocoon silk, from silkworm.
Cocoon what?
Cocoon.
Cocoon. What's
Yes,
cocoon?
from silkworm butterfly.
I see.
You want to try, sir? The traditional? We have also short sleeve.
So what's the difference? Like because it's expensive, right?
Yeah.
The other is the 1,000 something, right? So what's the difference?
Which one?
What is the reason?
Reason?
You have the different kinds of prices.
Prices. Because this one, sir, pineapple fiber is the best material, handmade. While the other material is machine made, like this. And also this one, sir.
I see.
This is the most expensive and most beautiful material, pineapple fiber with lining, sir.
And then you have the many kinds of colors, right?
Yes.
So what's the difference?
This one, color. This one, sir, is a natural color. But this one is, we have different color, brown, black, blue. It's a dye, sir. Dye. So that's why we have a different color. It's same material, this one and this. All different colors. The material, sir, is same like this. You want to try, sir?
No, it's okay.
How about short sleeve?